Welcome back 50+ community. Today's question, are you 60 or over and wondering if it's too late for love? If so, this video is for you. We'll explore dating in your golden years and offer advice before you jump into dating apps. Welcome. We know that re-entering the dating scene later in life can feel daunting, but we're here to tell you that love knows no age limit. It's completely normal to feel apprehensive and ask yourself, is it too late for me to find meaningful love at 60? You are not alone in this thought. The good news, and the definitive answer, is no. It is absolutely not too late. In fact, many find their most fulfilling relationships later in life. Dating in your 60s comes with unique advantages that younger daters often envy. Being over 60 is a fantastic time for romance. Here's why. You've lived, you've learned, you have a deeper understanding of who you are, what you value, and what truly makes you happy. This self-knowledge is invaluable in dating. Gone are the pressures of starting a family or career climbing. Now you can focus purely on finding genuine connection and companionship, which is what truly matters. Before you even download an app, take time for self-reflection. Preparation is key to a positive and successful dating experience. What are your absolute deal breakers? Knowing your non-negotiables up front saves time and emotional energy, ensuring you seek people who align with your core values. Take a moment to truly clarify what you are seeking in a partner. Is it just casual dating, or are you looking for a long-term commitment? Be honest with yourself. Make sure you have fully processed past relationships and are emotionally ready to open your heart again. Starting fresh requires emotional preparedness. Dating apps can be a fantastic tool when approached with a clear strategy. Let's look at how the 60+ crowd can navigate the digital dating world successfully. Not all dating platforms are created equal. Focus on apps or sites that cater specifically to the senior population, or those known for serious, long-term connections. Use recent, clear photos and write a profile that genuinely reflects your life, humor, and interests. Authenticity attracts quality matches. Always prioritize your safety and privacy. Never share financial information, meet in public places initially, and trust your gut instinct if something feels off. Dating apps are great, but they are not the only path to finding love. Many lasting connections are made through shared activities and communities. Pursue your passions. Joining clubs, classes, or hobby groups ensures you meet people with genuine common interests, providing natural opportunities for romance to blossom. Volunteering is an excellent way to meet kind, purpose-driven people. Look into community events or charitable organizations where you can dedicate your time. In conclusion, finding love after 60 is a joyful and realistic pursuit. With the right mindset and strategy, you can absolutely find your next great relationship. Dating takes effort and resilience at any age. Maintain a positive outlook, learn from every experience, and be persistent. The right connection is worth the wait. Remember, the best love stories often begin when you least expect them. Go out there, live your life fully, and let love find you. You deserve happiness.